Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how to store blueberries. So blueberries are actually native to North America, and California alone has over 9,000 acres of blueberry farms. They're in season from April to June, and that peak season, that peak blueberry season, end of spring, early summer, is just the best time to have fresh blueberries. But how do you store them? Well, before we get to that, let's talk about how to buy blueberries. So when you're looking at blueberries at the store or the farmer's market, you want blueberries that have a nice, even, consistent shape. They look plump, the skin is taut, they look fresh. You want a nice deep purple color that you don't want any red or any pink. That means that they were picked too early. So nice deep purple and blue color, and the white coating on them is completely natural. In fact, that bloom, that white coating is actually a sign of freshness. So as the blueberries get older, that coating starts to fade. Those are a couple different ways to look for the best blueberries. Now, how do you store them? So blueberries, like most berries, are just really tender, and so they spoil quickly because through transportation or just growing them, they're covered in dirt, bacteria, mold spores, that sort of thing. So you want to get rid of all of those things. The first thing you do is you wash your blueberries in 1 part vinegar and 3 parts water. Soak them in that solution for 15 minutes. That's where you start. After you wash the blueberries, the thing that you want to do is completely dry them, right? So that's where you really get in trouble. The fridge, being an enclosed space, unlike the store where the farmer's market where you purchase them from, moisture there is the enemy. So you want to make sure that the blueberries are completely dry. You can put them in a salad spinner with a towel, spin it around to remove the water. Hell, you can even use a blow dryer if that's what you have. Whatever it is, you just want to make sure that they're completely dry before you put them in the fridge. Once they're ready to store, go ahead and pick off any blueberries that don't look ripe or fresh or they're mushy, or because a bad blueberry is just going to lead to other bad blueberries. So you want to remove all the bad folks. Then take the ones that are remaining, store them in a container that's lined with a paper towel, and then put a lid on it, put it in the fridge. Stored this way, blueberries can actually last 2 to 3 times longer than if you had just put the container in the fridge from the get-go. If you're concerned about the vinegar part, don't worry. Blueberries are mostly water. They're not going to absorb any of that vinegar flavor. So once you store them that way, they're good to go. When you're ready to eat them, just rinse them then, and you can enjoy the blueberries. Now, if you're not going to get to the blueberries in time, you can simply freeze them. Take the blueberries, put them on a lined baking sheet, and put them in the freezer on a nice even layer. Let them completely freeze. Once they're frozen, transfer them to a freezer safe bag, and then boom, it actually can keep those blueberries in the freezer for about a year. So that's how you store fresh blueberries. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. And if there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment down below. See you guys next time.